Hey guys, so if you have only an issue with Valorant and nothing else, and you have a high ping, someone wrote here, you just have to go through settings over and over again until something works. I was trying to optimize mine for so long, I limited my frames, turned off my graphics card settings, in its software just a few things that I checked. So you have to like actually check things, like change the graphic there, maybe like the resolution, because if you don't have the higher ping in for example, other games, just Valorant. This can be like a Valorant issue. So same thing happens for me. It doesn't work some days, but it works really well on other days. Normally I wouldn't be too upset, but I do get mad when a friend wants to play and just craps out. So yeah, this is something, I don't know if it's actually helped you, but I just want to make this like quick video for you. What is the possible solution? So have a great day and goodbye.